Okay, so you have your flash drive on your on your own. Anyone? Rafael, are you there?
Yes, sir. Nakalimutan ko yung flash drive ko, sir. Wala po ako sa ano.
Okay, but pero nasaan ka ba? Sa school?
Nasa pagawaan po ng kotse.
Pagawaan ng form. Okay, so wala. Yung iba wala. Angelica, you have? Angelica? Wala. Nakamute ka, Angelica. Lawrence?
Meron po, sir.
Marley? David? Wala. Angelica, meron. EJ? Okay. Paulo? Meron.
Meron, sir.
Hazel? Hazel? Ba't tayo nyo mag-open ng mic? Urbano? Wala. Glenn? Marcel?
Wala po, sir.
Ba't wala?
May laman po yung, ano, sir.
Paano nyo gagawin tong activity? Wala.
Mangyayaram na lang po, sir.
Manghiram. Ngayon nyo gagawin. Paano pa kayo makakahiram? Di wala kayong grade ngayon. Angelo? Isang linggo hindi nyo nagawa ng paraan yan. Angelo?
Meron po, sir.
Jerome?
Yung flash drive po, sir. Meron po.
Ha?
Yan po yung sa flash drive.
Oo, kanina pa ako nagtatanong.
Meron po. Kaka-join ko lang po.
Okay. Sige. Okay, so yung iba nakapagpasa na dun sa sa LMS. Not yet. Submit nyo na yan. Okay, so today's ang gagawin natin is mag-explore tayo sa ating DOS command. I believe I already discussed, di ba, yung DOS command last time? Who remember? Ba, tama? Na-discuss ko na sa inyo.
Yes po,
Sa
sir.
DOS command tayo. Okay. So since everybody is familiar with the DOS command, okay, now to practice para maging very familiar tayo sa DOS command, let's do this part. So what's the purpose of this part? Okay, so share ko lang yung ating presentation. So lahat ba nasa school? Hindi. Sa bahay, yung iba lang, no?
Bye, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, wait lang. Kabit ko lang yung Okay, so this part, okay, so okay, so for the this part, okay, we need to follow the following step. So in order to open the command prompt, I believe I already guide you last meeting on how you going to get the command prompt environment, no? Okay, so just simply open the command prompt from the run, and then choose the administrator to opening the command prompt. And then for the step 2, you're going to use the this part, or using this part is you will need to type this part to execute the command. And then step 3, you're going to type the list. Then step 4, you have to select the drive to format whatever drive or what drive you desire. And then step 5, you have to clean the disk, of course. And then step 6 is you need to create the partition. Okay. Then step 7 is to format the drive. And then the last one is to assign the drive letter. Okay. On how to do this in the actual, of course, you need to experience it by your own, no? Okay. That's why I requested all of you to bring or to have a flash drive that we can play around. And then of course to do this task or this part, okay, the result will be deleted all the files of your flash drive. That's why I asked you to bring a flash drive that you can there's no important files that you can delete or remove or delete the existing files inside to that flash drive. But if not, of course, you can do this task. Okay, so this part is a internal command. No, it's internal command that clean up our drive and prepare your flash drive for a new storage. Okay, clean storage. Okay, and it also if the objective is to become a bootable drive yung inyong drive, this part also can do. Okay, but on this activity we don't need to have a bootable. We just simply for this objective is to clean up a drive. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so of course, to open the command prompt as administrator, you have to run and open the command prompt in your Windows. So some of you have a search box. Just simply type CMD, and then the application of command prompt open, and then simply select the run administrator. Okay, then of course just click it the run administrator. Okay, then if you are in the command prompt okay, Windows, okay, even though you are inside the subfolder or folder, okay, like what you see in your screen, okay, currently the sample or the presentation tells us that we are inside the subfolder of System32. So under the inside the Windows folder, there's a sub folder named System32. Okay, so even though you are in the subfolder or in the folder or outside the folder, the this part command is already exists because this is internal command. Okay, so if you do your assignment, okay, and you did the research about the command prompt or command or DOS command, okay, there's a two part of a command prompt. No, there's a two type of command. Okay, we have the internal command and the yung tinatawag na you need to copy command. Okay, so kumbaga meron ng existing sa loob. Okay, like for example yung diniscuss ko, we have a ROM and RAM. Di ba? Meron na siyang nandun sa loob. Okay? Existing na siya. So this part is the part of the internal command. Okay? It's built in dun sa ating Windows. Ibig sabihin, no need to have a copy of that command, but just simply execute it. Okay, like copy, yan, mga internal command yan. No? Yung mga external command, you have to copy that command in order to execute. But in the case of this part is a type of command which is they call it internal command. No? Some of the classic example in that is the copy command, delete, yan, making directory, yan, rename or ren, yan, mga internal command which is nandito na yan. Okay, then next is you have to click the this part, type the this part and then simply enter. Okay, just type this part and then yan. Next. Okay, after you type the this part, you are now entering. Okay, you are now entering doon sa this part facility. Okay, and it shows you the Microsoft this part version, and then of course the computer name. Okay, where you are reside, no, your this part. Okay, so after that, okay, the this part telling you this that you are inside the this part environment. Okay, and then there's a internal command again. Okay, no need to have to copy the command, the simply type. Okay, the internal command name list space this. Okay, so on the this part command, okay, again, okay, when you type the this part command, it's execute to enter the environment of the this part. Okay, kumbaga nandun ka sa loob ng kapangyarihan o nasa box ka ni this part. Okay, so inside the this part, mayroon mga internal command yan. Okay, to check the this part command, just simply / question mark or question mark para makita niyo yung mga iba pang command sa loob. Okay, but on our objective, we have to this part and partition and format and clean the drive. Okay, so this part, okay, simply type the list space this. So what's the objective of this command? The objective of this command is to check or to show, okay, what is the status of your available drive on your computer. Okay, on this part, as you see on the table, we have 3 disks. Okay, show us. So we have a disk 0, disk 1, and the disk 2. Okay, what the table is telling us. Okay, so disk 0 meaning online, meaning the status is online or it's working or it's existing. and then the size is 298 gigabytes, or if you going to check, this drive is I believe this is 3 gig. Okay, 3 gig SSD. SSD. Okay, may storage. Okay, and then on the D0 we have they say it is there's no media. Okay, so meaning it's possible this one is possible is virtual, or a CD or a DVD drive, or a virtual, like kunyari Google Drive siya, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Okay, it depends, no? Basta virtual drive siya, meaning, no? It not shows here because there's a secure that is a secured area ng type of storage. That's why this part maybe this part this part can't read that type of drive, no, yung mga virtual. Okay, for these two, okay, we have a 3,819 MB. Okay, and the status is online, and then this is the another drive of mine. Okay, if kunyari ganyan yung makikita mo. Okay, so what is your basis here? Okay, that regarding to this table. So may idea ka naman syempre kung ano yung flash drive mo, kung ano yung isasalpak mo. So makikita mo dyan ngayon, kunyari kung 1 terabytes yung drive mo, so makikita mo naman din dito yon. So usually, yung ating mga external drive is nasa down part siya. Okay, just simply know the sizes of your external drive para hindi kayo magkamali. Mamaya kasi may mga existing drive na diyan sa PC mo. Bigla nyong ni-reformat o bigla nyong pinartition o dinispike, burado yan. So make sure na identify nyo kung ano yung sizes ng inyong external drive. Okay? So naiintindihan ba? You have a question? Any question?
Wala po.
Naiintindihan ba? Thumbs up kung naiintindihan. Okay? So let's continue. Okay. Once you check whether your drive is already there or already existing. Na minsan kasi hindi nakikita diyan. So yung iba ginagawa lang diyan, tatanggal, kinakabit uli. Okay, or nililipat nila ng ibang USB port. Pwedeng sa likod, pwedeng sa harap, or whatever. Okay, tinatry nilang ganun. Minsan kasi hindi nababasa agad. Okay? And then of course, you simply type the select this. Ito kung anong this yung i-reformat or i-dispart natin. So select this on this example, yung this two yung gusto kong i-reformat or i-dispart. Okay? So yan. So select these two yung pipiliin ko. Okay? Yung spaces importante yan. Okay, mamaya i-type nyo dire-diretso. Hindi gagana yan. Okay? So, okay. So, select space these two. Okay. So, next, after you do the select these two, meaning, okay, you already select the disk you want to format or to dispart. Okay? There's a notification here telling you that you are already selected what disk you desire. So this time we have these two selected. Ayan, sinasabi niya. Okay, so after that, the disk part prompt again, and then waiting for another instruction or command coming from you, and then the next step that we are going to do is to clean the disk that we are selected. Okay, so this time around, simply type the internal command clean. Okay, and then simply enter. Okay, so we have this part notification again if the cleaning is successful. Okay, if there's an error or if there's a notification that telling you that your cleaning is not successful, or there's a error posting or saying something error code, okay, meaning there's a problem on your drive, okay, on your external possible. So double check, simply remove, then insert again, and then start all over again dun sa ating umpisa, okay, and then until you have here again on the cleaning part. So once the cleaning is successful, it notifies you that this part is succeed in cleaning your disk. Okay, and then it will be back again to the disk part, and then waiting for another instruction coming from you. Okay, and then again, reminder in this step, okay, as you see, this command will permanently delete all files and folders. Okay, tatandaan niyo yan. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, so after you clean, okay, you're going to after we clean your disk, we need to create a partition. Okay, because if you don't create a partition, you cannot your external drive or your flash drive is not usable. Okay, because the system, okay, read only your drive if there's a declared partition. Okay, so by default, you need to create a partition for the cleaning disk or the drive. Okay, so that's why we need this command. So simply type create space partition space a primary. Okay, kumbaga parang itatag yung drive mo, okay, para makilala yung drive ng sistema o ng Windows. Then of course, again, there's another notification telling us that you are succeed in your partition. Okay, so this part succeed, telling us here. The next. Okay, so once the creation of the partition is successful, okay, we now proceed to format. Okay, to format our selected partition. Okay, so to format, just simply type again the command. Again, this is internal command also. Okay, simply type format space. Okay, meaning of FS is the file system. So we need to put a file system. So the file system, okay, equals NTFS. So NTFS is a type of file system, okay, of Windows, in order to read your drive and in order to create a folder, a copy folder, rename a folder, etc. Okay, so once you will format into the file system that we desire, which is NTFS, okay, executes the command execute, okay, and then wait for 100% complete of this command. Okay, next. Okay, once the formatting is successful, it tells you that 100% completed, and then notify you again that your formatting is successful. Okay, telling you that formatted, the volume is successful. The next, you have to assign kung anong drive letter siya babasahin. Okay? Okay, so this part, the command is assign, okay, and then enter. And then of course, again, if it is successful, the drive letter, okay, it tells you again and notify you that assigning drive letter is successful. Okay? Yan. Link for the DOS command guide. Yan, meron tayo niyang link sa YouTube. Okay? So now, okay, you have to do that on your own since some of you have no flash drive. So okay, so you have to do that by your own. Okay? So paano mangyayari yan? Okay. So ganito gagawin niyo diyan. So gagawa kayo ngayon yan sa inyo. Okay? You have to record it and then voice over like yung ginawa ko. Okay? And then submit it to our LMS ulit. Gagawan ko ng link para doon nyo ibabato. And then doon ko i-check kung ginawa nyo. Okay? And then what's next? Okay. So may task pa kayong gagawin. Ang task naman na gagawin yung next is ito. I'm going to send you I'm going to upload, okay, or upload the link na lang, no, the link, okay, of the application that we are going to use on your activity for your semifinals. Okay, kasi sa semifinals, ibibigay ko lang, wala na, halos di na tayo mag-meet doon, puro na lang, reporting lang kayo sa akin kung ipipresent nyo lang sa akin yung ginawa nyo. Okay? So yung presentation nyo, gagawin nyo sa PowerPoint. So you have to submit it on the PowerPoint way para makita ko kung paano nyo ginawa. Okay. So this time around, you need to create a group. Okay? So I believe 19 kayo yata eh. Okay? So divide nga natin. Okay, 15 ba kayo? 19? O 18 lang yata kayo? Wala nga. Natin yung natin. Itit nga kayo. Bakit? 18. Kasama na ba rito yung inad ni Ma'am Gina? Kilala niyo yan? Si Baleta ba yun? Ha? Kilala niyo yun? Hello? Kilala niyo yun? Hindi. Hindi. Sumasagot. Wala yata kausap. Okay, siguro ano na lang. Sa isang grupo, 3. O di kaya, dalawa na lang siguro. Para naman ano, isa lang nagluluto ng pancit canton, ano? Hindi, kailangan natin nagluluto ng pancit canton tsaka isang finance, no? Pero this time around, di nyo kailangan ng finance dito. Kasi gagawa talaga kayo, tsaka gagawa kayo ng presentation. Okay? So I believe we have on the semifinals we have I think 18 ba o 19 na na activity. Then you have to create a presentation for that. And then for your finals, you have to create your own design and code. Yun. So okay. So next meeting natin or siguro ngayon na pag naghiwalay tayo ngayon, mag-create na ng group. Okay? So nangyari leader. Okay? And then yung member. No? Leader kunyari Juan de la Cruz. Tapos yung member yung dalawa si Jose kunyari si Jose and Maria and kunyari Ivy kunyari si Marley kunyari si John kunyari ganyan. So, yan, parang ganyan, ayan, inano ko. So, ganyan yung yung membership. Okay, so 3 siguro. Okay? So, ilagay niyo dun sa ating GC siguro. Okay? Or, hindi, ganito na lang. Jan, Gabriel, diyan ka ba? Jan. Yan ba si Jan? Wala. Jan, tulog ka? Okay, opo. Okay, good. Jan, kolektahin mo, everyone, okay, kung nakakreate na kayo ng group, submit to Jan, yung leader, tsaka yung member. Okay, Jan, i-consolidate mo siya sa isang Word document, tapos send it to me. PM mo ako, direct message mo ako. Okay, Jan? Intindihan dyan? Okay, good. Okay, so ganun yung membership natin. Okay, now, okay, so okay. So I will going to send a link dun sa ating LMS. Okay? Ano yung link na yon? Okay. Application yon, nakakailanganin nyo. Okay? Kasi sa semifinals, okay. Ang gagawin nyo nga yung activity. So, doon na kayo, maggagawa na kayo nung in advance, gagawa na kayo nung magko-code na kayo. Okay? So, syempre, before that, ko muna, yung introduction. Okay? So, syempre, hindi naman type ng spoon feeding yung ko. Okay? So, ituturo ko lang muna yung basic, tapos kayo na mag-explore. Okay? So, yung mga kakailanganin nyo, yun yung ibibigay ko dun sa link. Ano yung kakailanganin nyo? Okay? So sa assembly, okay, hindi kayo kasi yung Windows 11 ngayon, hindi kayo doon hindi kayo makakapag-create doon ng hindi kayo makakapag-debug doon. Okay? So Windows 11 o even Windows 10. Ngayon gagamit tayo ng isang tools or application para makapag-debug kayo. Okay? Ano 'yon? Ang tawag doon is yung assembly folder. Okay? Tawag dito ang gagamitin natin is yung DOSBox. Yung DOSBox is parang command prompt 'yon. Okay, yung command prompt na 'yon, kumbaga doon kayo doon kayo gagawa, doon kayo kumbaga parang working area niyo yung DOSBox. Okay? O yan, unang-una yon yung DOSBox. Ibig sabihin, bibigyan ko kayo ng installer nun. So para although downloadable yon, pero para pare-pares lang tayo ng version para walang ikakatwiran kayo sa akin na, ay sir, sira yung DOSBox ko, ibang version to sir. Kaya ganun. Okay, so para uniform. Okay, I will send you a link. Then inside that link, merong meron ng DOSBox, i-install nyo sa inyong unit. Okay? So bago nyo install yun, huwag nyo muna install. Just simply copy lang muna yung mga nandun sa link. Sabay-sabay natin gawin yon. Kumbaga, ako muna para makita nyo kung paano. And then also, you have to install the Notepad++. Okay? Yung Notepad++, doon ka naman mag-i-edit ng mga kinode mo. Kumbaga, doon ka magko-code sa Notepad++. Okay? Once na ma-code mo sa Notepad++, syempre, yun yung i-debug mo or i-run mo sa DOSBox mo. Okay, na iintindihan ba? O, thumbs up kung naiintindihan. Baka mamaya may mga ano na naman. Okay? So, yun. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo lang, ikakopy nyo lang muna. Ulit ha. Ikakopy nyo lang muna yung assembly folder. Tapos, yung Notepad++. Copy nyo lang muna paresyon. I-install nyo lang yan kapag na-explain ko na. Okay? Kumbaga, parang bago kayo lumangoy, tuturo ko muna sa inyo kung paano yung paglangoy. O, tas kayo nalalangoy, bahala na kayo sa buhay nyo nun. Naiintindihan ba? Thumbs up. Okay, good. Okay? So, ngayon, ako ang may kulang, no? Gagawa ko ng link para doon. So, number 1, ang gagawin kong link is yung presentation niya ng DOSBox. Pangalawa, yung link ng mga i-copy yung mga folder. Okay? Ikatlo, yung inyong submit niyo na kay John Gabriel, yung pili na kayo ng leader nyo. Okay? So, yun ang magiging task nyo. And then, simply review yung inyong yung ating na-discuss nung last week. Okay? Kasama tong mga command, DOS command kasama sa exam yon. And then be sure nakabisado niyo na tong this part without guide. Nasa utak niyo lang. Okay? So kasama yan sa exam. Okay? So face to face ulit yung exam natin next week. Okay? For our midterm exam. Okay? So nagkakalinawan. O, siguraduhin yung napasa nyo na yung mga assignment nyo. May re-reklamo na naman kayo sa mga grades nyo. Wala. O, tapos be sure na yung yung exam nyo is okay. And then yung ASCII na kukunin ko yan next meeting, tabi nyo lang, pero babalik ko rin yan, check ko lang. Tsaka yung tawag dito, kasi ipe-present nyo sa akin yung sa flash drive, di ba? Presentation. So, be sure na okay yung presentation nyo kung paano nyo yung i-voice over yung, kunyari, tinuturo nyo mag-this part. Okay, yan yung project nyo. Yung this part, tsaka yung sa ASCII code table. Naintindihan? Thumbs up? Naintindihan? Okay? So, voice over ha. Baka iba pa ipa-voice over nyo. Kayo mismo dapat yan. Okay? Parang yung, kasi sabi nga nila, kung maano nyo lang, magtataka ba't ganun? Kasi ang method ng teaching ko, okay, sa akin lang naman to, okay? Ang bata, naiintindihan niya yung tinuturo sa kanya once na kaya niya rin explain. Okay? That's why gusto ko ganun, ang approach. Okay? Sa semifinals nyo, ganun din. Okay? Kasi hindi nyo maipapaliwanag ang isang bagay kung hindi nyo naiintindihan. Okay? Kahit na anong, kumbaga, yung pagtuturo, di ba? Wala yan sa haba, wala yan sa ikse. Di ba? Nasa kalinawan yan. Okay? So, nagkakaintindihan ba? Hello? Nagkakaintindihan ba tayo?
Yes, yes.
Okay. O, sige. gawin niyo na yung this part. Okay, yung submission, yung submission niyan, okay, sige, hanggang Sunday night. Gawin niyo na yan. Okay, pero mahaba yung oras niyo ngayon, no? We only 2:30. So mahaba yung oras niyo kung tutusin, dapat hanggang alas 7, di ba? Pero we not consume that. You're going to consume that for doing your activities. Okay, so gawin niyo yan. Madali lang yan. Iksi-iksi nga lang nung kung paano ka present eh. Okay? Kailangan lang maging successful yung gagawin nyo. Okay, and then if kulang pa yung na-discuss ko, you can research sa YouTube kung paano nyo ipapollow yung ano. Okay? So, sa tawag to, yung volume name, gusto ko makita yung pangalan nyo, ha? Nung this part. Para sigurado akong ginawa nyo. Okay? And then, bonus siguro, dun sa inside, dun sa inyong flash drive, mag-create kayo ng directory, MD, di ba? MD directory yung name nyo para magkaroon ng folder sa loob. Okay, sama nyo sa presentation nyo, sa discussion nyo. Okay? So, nakuha? Ang dami nung pinagagawa ko, baka hindi nyo magawa, Okay, so thumbs up kung okay na tayo. Wala nang tanong.
Sir,
Yes.
nasend mo po ba yung PPT kanina?
PPT kanina.
Yung sa
Alin? Yung sa this part.
Opo.
Gusto mo pa ba i-send ko? Sige, send ko na. I-send ko. Okay. Para may susundan kayo. Okay? Okay, good. Sige. Magmerienda muna kayo tapos gawin nyo na yan. At ang submission yan until tomorrow evening ng Sunday. Okay? I will do the link. Okay? And then submit it. And then don't forget yung i-submit yung assignment nyo last week. Ando na, naka-post na dun sa LMS. Okay? So, happy weekend everyone and class dismissed. Do your work. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you po, sir.